today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an app logo in Base44. Having a clear, recognizable logo is a simple way to make your app look more professional and easier to spot at a glance. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step, so you can upload and save your logo in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you already have a project or app created. From your Base44 home screen, open the specific project or app where you want to add a logo. This takes you into the editor view for that app, where you can manage its settings and appearance. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the right app, especially if you work with multiple projects. Once your app is open, look for the dashboard option. This is usually accessible from the main navigation within the editor. Go ahead and click on Dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll find high-level controls and configuration options for your app, including things like its name, description, and in this case, the app icon or logo. On the dashboard screen, locate the current app icon. If you haven't set one yet, you'll typically see a default icon or placeholder image. Click directly on this default icon. This will open the logo or icon settings panel, where you'll be able to upload your own image. Now, in the upload area, you should see an option that says something like drag and drop or click to upload. You have two choices here. If you already have your logo file ready on your computer, you can drag it from your file explorer straight into this area. Alternatively, you can click on that upload area to open your file browser, then navigate to your logo file and select it. For best results, choose a clear square image and try to keep the file size reasonable so it loads quickly. Once your file is uploaded, you should see a preview of your new logo. Take a moment to confirm that it looks correct and isn't cropped in an odd way. If something looks off, you can cancel and upload a different version. When you're happy with how the logo looks, click on the Save button. This is a crucial step. If you don't save, your uploaded logo won't be applied to the app. After saving, your new logo should update across the app's interface wherever the icon is used. And that's it. You've successfully added an app logo in Base44.